Easy to set up and rely on day after day. Tomahawk submersible pumps are perfect for emergency dewatering, pool maintenance, irrigation, and everyday water transfer. Getting started is simple. First, lay your hose out flat and straighten out any kinks or bends. Then connect the hose to the base of the pump. Lower the pump into place and set it on a stable surface to avoid clogging the intake. Once plugged into a GFCI outlet, the pump will start and the built-in float switch will handle automatic power control based on the water level, so you can focus on the rest of your job without babysitting the pump. These pumps move up to 73 gallons per minute, ideal for contractors, pool maintenance, farms, and even tight areas like narrow wells. After use, unplug the unit and let it cool before detaching the hose. Rinse the pump of any debris and then store it in a dry place to keep it ready for the next job. And that's it. You'll be fully prepared when flooding strikes fast. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk equipment, click subscribe today.